I did not make my money from selling Nitros Bull indicator and the courses. We are two different people right here. So you guys want to follow the YouTubers or you want to follow real traders? What it do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. And guys, in this video, we're gonna get right into it. I know you guys wanted me to make this video so bad, and I just have to deliver what the community really wants. And I'm not trying to take sides, guys. You guys saw the thumbnail, you guys saw the title, and we're gonna compare these two powerful indicators that are available on the internet right now. We're going to compare signal strike indicator and the Nitros Bull indicator in this video. So guys, keep in mind that I'm not trying to start a war or something or fight with a YouTuber. I'm just, you know, trying to react to what people are saying. This is just a reaction. There's a difference between copyright and the reaction, right? So let's get right into it, guys. We're going to also compare signal strike indicator and the Nitros Bull indicator from Crypto University and stuff like that. So let's get right into it without wasting any time. Sheesh. So as you can see, this guy right here, he made this video. Shout out to this guy, by the way, guys. Let's click it. Let's watch.
Just a quick one.
Let's see what's going on.
I'm reviewing.
Hold on. Let's start from the beginning. All right. So as you can see, this guy, but it goes by the name. I can't pronounce this, but he says Crypto University Nitros Bull indicator for TradingView review. So this is an honest review. Right? I mean, these are people who really bought this indicator called Nitros Bull, and they're making review videos about it. Right? I mean, so let's see what it does and stuff like that, and what doesn't do. I mean, this is just my honest review about this indicator, and also I'm allowing you guys to give honest reviews about signal strike indicator, and let me know what you think. You know what I mean? I'm not attacking anyone. Please. I'm just gonna quickly play this video, and then we're gonna go through it right into it, step by step, and see what it does and what doesn't do. Is this a legit crypto indicator that you guys can rely on and trade every day? You know what I mean? Those are the questions that we're gonna be answering in this video. So say less, bro.
Just a quick one here. I'm reviewing Nitros Bull against a free alternative. Nitros Bull is the one that is the indicator that costs $200.
200 you? Shut up.
$200. There's a free alternative, which is a buy-sell indicator that is available on TradingView. As you can see.
So basically, he's trying to compare this Nitros Bull indicator to a free alternative buy and sell indicator on TradingView. All right, let's keep that in mind. And guys, I'm not attacking any business right here. I'm just giving my honest review. You guys wanted me to make this video so bad, and I told you, me and the bro and me and the guy, guys, like we are good guys. We are good friends. We chilling. Like me and him, we don't have any beef or whatever. Whatever happened in the past, we let it happen in the past. But right now, you know, everyone is minding his own business. We've been trading for many years, bro, before this whole YouTube thing going on and stuff. You know what I mean? So we knew each other from scratch. We knew each other from scratch. So, guys, come on.
Available on TradingView. As you can see, this is the indicator from the buy-sell free alt.
All right. So this indicator right here that is giving sell and buy signals. This is a free indicator from TradingView, right? And this indicator that is giving these signals written bear and bull. This is not Nitros Bull indicator, right? Let's get right into it.
And it calls the sell significantly earlier than the Nitros Bull.
Exactly.
Now, it also does the buy a lot earlier than the Nitros Bull indicator indicates that a bull market is starting, and that's pretty consistent all through. So as you can see here, there's also a sell, which is much earlier than the bear market is indicated further down here.
Okay, say less, bro. I know like you have a lot of things to say about the indicator, and you just decided to make this video short. You know what I mean? And you helped at least 2.8k people right here. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna go through the comments because we're not trying to attack anyone, and I'm gonna let you guys say whatever you guys wanna say in the comment section below, and let me know what you think. All right, at the end of this video I'm gonna pull out a signal strike indicator, and also we're gonna go through right into it like step by step on all time frames, and then you guys gonna compare the difference between these two indicators. All right, so he said that the free signal indicator or free indicator from TradingView is giving him these signals, right? Of course it's not really 100%. Let me just try to zoom in like this, right? Of course it's not 100%. As you can see, you get the signal right here. You have to get the signal right here at the top, but you're getting signal right here, which is not really bad, of course, right? But this kind of indicators are printing, like all these indicators are printing right here. I'm not seeing anything that is moving in real time. That's a point number one that I want to highlight. And you can also see that the signal, the Nitros Bull indicator right here is giving signals inside the trend line. Like for example, you can see that this trend line right here, you got your bear signal right here in the middle. How can you expect to make money or win from these kind of signals, right? You get the signal right here, and come on, you had to get this bear signal right here at the top. You're getting it right here, and then the market been moving without getting any signal, and then you get the signal right here. Like, are you kidding me, bro? You get the signal right here, bro. You had to get the buy signal right here or the bull signal right here, not here, bro. Like, come on, let's be real, bro. This indicator costs 200 USD, right? And this is what you're getting. So let's see what's happening now. So now you're getting another buy signal right here. Why did it skip this signal right here? Why did it skip another signal right here? And then you're getting a signal right here whereby the trend line has already happened, bro, and then it just printed buy signal, bro. Like, these signals are not coming in real time. That's the one thing you have to keep in mind, and I'm gonna prove to you why these signals are not coming in real time. You know what I mean? So let's just play the video right here. Let's see what the bro is saying. All right, let's see what he's saying.
So basically what I'm saying is that there's a free alternative, which in my opinion is significantly better, and you can also adjust it as you want to. Yeah, that's it.
No, bro, don't tell people that there's an alternative that is better. You have to tell them the truth that, guys, like, what's happening here is not what we expected. You know what I mean? I do not understand why you guys keep on paying for all these trips, all these paying your money, your hard-earned money to all these Dubai people, all these trips to Russia, China, whatever. And then you get screwed at the end of the day, and they're still trying to be a fan, while at least a small YouTuber like Heavy Crypto right here is giving real value, and you choose to ignore. That's what's happening right here, bro. So as you can see, this Nitros Bull indicator is not really giving signals in real time, and it's just printing whatever the condition of the market is, right? So as you can see, bro, this guy really tried to compare these two indicators, and the free indicator is still winning, bro. That is so insane and embarrassing on internet. So let's play another video by Dead Crypto, and this guy is working with the guy. I don't want to mention names, but this guy is working with the guy. They're working together and stuff like that. That's why he's also creating the videos. Shout out to him anyway. So let's play it and see what's happening.
Area of profitability, and that's not always the case. As you can see here in this window, in this time frame, we have a bear signal here.
Bro, can you show us the
evening, whatever it is?
You know what I want him to do, right? I want him to show us the recent activities or what's happening in the market. The signals should come in real time. It doesn't have to show us the history, because this indicator prints out bull and bear signals, right? It doesn't bring the signals in real time. That's just my honest review. It doesn't give the signals in real time. It's just printing out all these signals. That's why I want him to show us charts in real time, like maybe like 1 hour time frame, and then he must show us what's happening within that 1 hour specific period of time, right? Not what happened yesterday, because we know that it has printed the bear and the bull signals, right? Do you guys get me? I don't understand. Like, come on, bro. And then I know you guys the whole community is gonna come into my comment section and start attacking me and stuff like that. And I'm just giving my honest review. Know what I mean?
This is Edward with Crypto University, and in this video we are going to be breaking down a Nitros Bull indicator, what the colors mean, what the lines mean, how you can use it to find areas of profitability.
Bro, just by looking at this, bro, I had to get the buy signal right here, another sell signal right here at the top, and then we can talk. Not this. Shut up. What you showing me, bro? Anyway, guys, so we you know, you got my point. Let me just jump into signal strike indicator, right? And like, are you you see what I'm saying, bro? You're not getting the signals in real time. You're not getting the signals in real time. Look what happened here, bro. You had to get the signal right here, not here. Like, what is this, bro? What is this? You had to get the signal right here so that you can ride this whole trend and make some money, right? And then you get another signal right here, and then you make some money on this bear trend, right? And then you get another signal right here, and then you make some money when the price is moving up. And then maybe you get another signal right here, and then you make some money when the price is going down. Not this, bro. Like, you get the signal right here, and you know that this indicator is just printing, right? And then it's going to tell you nice, it's going to give you an alert and stuff like that, so that, you know, whenever a signal comes, you get notified, which doesn't make sense right here. So YouTube is a free platform, freedom of speech. I'm just saying whatever I'm thinking about this whole indicator issue, and you guys wanted me to make an honest review, and I'm just, you know, giving out what I'm thinking. Do not attack me. If you like Heavy Crypto channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, and also check out my signal strike indicator, all the videos that I've made about signal strike indicator, and then you try to compare the two, and then you let me know what you think. All right. So as you can see, this is whole going on, right? So okay, let me pull out signal strike indicator. Already, guys, so we got the beast right here on TradingView, and let me know, guys, what you think. So this is a signal strike. I'm recording this video live right here, and I'm not bullshitting and stuff like that, as you can see. So this signal strike is working out in real time. Let's take a look at 4 hour time frame and see what's happening. All right, and then you guys should spot the difference. You can see that the signals are coming in real time. See the tops, the bottoms, the tops, the bottom. And if you follow these signals, you're really gonna make some good money. All right, take a look at this. Buy signal coming in real time, sell signal coming in real time. Buy signal coming at the bottom, sell signal coming at the top. Let's take a look at maybe like 1 hour or something. All right. And then you guys, this is just my honest review. You guys love attacking me, telling me stuff on the internet and stuff like that on your videos, right? So let's take a look at 1 hour. As you can see, signals coming in real time. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and stuff like that. And right now we got the buy signal coming up right here, and the price is gonna go up because this indicator works in real time. If it was Nitros Bull, it was not gonna give you, definitely not gonna give you, right? So let's take a look at maybe like Bitcoin or something. Maybe you guys think like, just because it's Ethereum price, we want to see Bitcoin price. So this is a Bitcoin price. As you can see, signal still coming in no time. Buy, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. See, sell here, buy here. Sell here, buy here, sell, because the price was not likely to go down. So you can get buy signal right here. Again, we can also take a look at 15 minutes. All right, you can see signals coming in real time. Now get the buy signal, most likely to come up, and then stuff like that, working in real time. All right, and then if we compare all the Nitros Bulls and stuff like that with this indicator, it won't even win. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys decide what to think. I just wanted to make this point, and don't try to compare the two indicators. Right, these indicators are different from each other. The other one works in real time and is used by professional traders just like myself. I made most of my money in trading, in crypto trading, crypto arbitrage, spot trading. I've been making a lot of videos about Vala Crypto Exchange and London Crypto Exchange. I've been recording a lot of videos about futures trading on this channel. I've been recording a lot of videos about arbitrage trading. I've been recording a lot of videos about DeFi and stuff like that. I did not make my money from selling Nitros Bull indicator and the courses. We are two different people right here. So you guys want to follow the YouTubers or you want to follow real traders? I don't know. You guys gonna have to decide. So let's keep grinding. Let's keep on pushing forward. I was just giving out what I think, and I really wanted to answer some of these questions and stuff like that. It's your boy Heavy Crypto. I'm signing out, and therefore, guys, I'll send you the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.